Best makeup brushes explained. A pro makeup is undoubtedly every girl's dream. We ferret out magazines, videos and books on makeup and purchase the most expensive cosmetics along with those makeup brushes or a set of them, but when it comes to using them and finally getting a look we always desired goes into vain, because we do not know how to properly use them. What you need to know is the magazines and all other interviews are performed by a pro makeup artist having years of experience in the very field, and you cannot get the look instantly. It is a slow process and you will definitely get better with time. 1. Foundation Brush. This is a sleek brush used to apply or even out foundation on the face, quite palpable from the name itself. Apply dots of foundation on your face and sweep the brush outward towards your hairline for a perfect finish. 2. Beauty Blender. This is usually a cute little sponge used to tone the skin perfectly. Use the broader side of the sponge all over your face towards outward to get a sleek finish. 3. Kabuki Brush. The widest brush in your set is the Kabuki brush. It is used for applying powders or bronzer on your face and also works well for any visible harsh line. Do remember to not powder your entire face with bronzer but only along your temple, hairline, cheekbone and jawline in a perfect 3 shape. 4. Powder Brush. Yes, you can use Kabuki for applying powder too, but what if you are provided with one primarily for this purpose? It is a thick brush and used to apply loose powders onto the face. Make sure that too much powder do not smudge your foundation. 5. Angled Blush Brush. This angled brush is meant to highlight your cheekbones. Apply some blush on your cheeks and sweep the brush outwards. 6. Concealer Brush. It is a thin brush used to cover blemishes or dark circles which are not covered by a foundation. Apply some concealer on the areas with the help of brush. 7. Eyeshadow Brush. As the name suggests, it is used to apply eyeshadow powder or cream for eye makeup. 8. Brow Comb. It is a two-way brush used to give eyebrows a shape. Use the thick end to crease out the eyebrow and comb with another one after applying eyebrow pencil. So, these are the best basic makeup brushes and tips for the next time you decide for a makeup session. Make sure to use them properly. Also, here's the special free offer that I mentioned above. A Miyoko Kabuki makeup brush and it's yours free. Click the link below this video in the description box for more details.